quality ingredients and equipment. Remember, an herb's quality determines its healing capacity. The truth is that we pay for poor quality herbs wrapped in expensive high quality packages all the time. To make sure that we have the best herbal medicine, we must train ourselves to look beyond the wrapping and into the herb itself. So what makes a quality herb? Of course, we're always gonna try to choose the first herb. Why? Because the first plant has a vitality that quickly degrades. Do you know that a head of broccoli left on the sun can lose half of its content in vitamin C in 30 minutes? In the fridge, nutrient loss also occurs, but this is a little bit more slowed down, although it will still occur. If fresh herbs are unavailable, then we have to consider the following. 1. Dry herbs or products made for certified organic herbs. Check first your local county extension office for local grown herbs. You can't do that? Okay, let's try retail. Look for products stamped with organic associations. Like for example, the OCIA or the Organic Crop Improvement Association. Farm Verified Organic, Organic Buyers, OBGA or Organic Buyer Growers Association, or the California Certification for Organic Buyers. All of these will be great. Make sure that you watch for DDT, which is banned in the US, and it might be added in some herbs. About 75% of botanicals in medicinal products in the US are imported. Of the rest 25% grown domestically, only a small percentage is certified as organically grown. Also, sooner or later, you're going to want to probably use some Chinese herbs. Make sure that if you buy Chinese herbs, you do it from reputable, organic, and domestic product stamp organic associations. Making your own capsules is easy. You can do your own capsules by grinding the herbs by hand with a mortar and pestle, since mechanical grinding generates too much heat. Make 1 or 2 days supply at a time and refrigerate the capsules until use.